Hello and welcome to the 11th tutorial in the first series on painting basics. We continue with our garment studies and discovering the magic of tetrachrome. In this lesson, we're going to be painting a black garment, the kalimavki, worn by monks and hero monks. Strictly speaking, there are no black garments in Byzantine iconography, which is the reason that I can't show you any examples of black garments by old master iconographers. Even though the ancient monks wore black, their garments are depicted in colour. Because, as explained in the tutorial on colour and light in Byzantine iconography, colour is essential to Byzantine iconography. Today, however, there is an expectation that contemporary monastic saints be depicted with a familiar black rasa and kalimavki. The result is usually harsh black garments that look lifeless. But there is a way of painting black garments in such a manner that it is clear that the saint is wearing black, but the colour isn't lifeless. We do this by painting a very dark coloured problasmos. A dark olive or burgundy colour works well, and in several of these icons you can see how I've used both to distinguish between the different garments. So now, without any further ado, we will jump right into painting a monastic kalimavki. And we paint the problasmos. And I blend in from the darker areas into the problasmos. And there we have our black kalimavki. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Until next time, keep practicing.